Hello there. Welcome back into another video. It is Sound P here back, and I haven't posted in a while, but here today I'm going to show you my complete Chrome car collection. So I have every single Chrome in the game except this, the free car, the Civic, because, well, you can't sell this car. So it's not possible for me to have it Chrome. So yeah, I have all of the 77 cars in Chrome. So yeah, let's just start. So I'm gonna just show you them all like this, so you can see that I have them. So yeah, smart car. Yeah, smart car. So yeah. And then I'm gonna start from then we got Civic, obviously don't have. Then we got the Skyline, the R30. In the garage, it's kind of hard to see the ground. We got Lada, which is, I don't know, it's a Russian car. Lada something. There it is. I don't even know what this car's called. Some of them currently are random colors because I've bought them and haven't even touched them. So yeah, just if you see the colors are ugly, that's the reason why. This other car, it's like a 2113 or something like that. I don't even know what it's called either. It's ugly, I'll tell you that. Then you got my transit van, which you can't see the chrome of this one, but it is indeed chrome. I perhaps also have it as cop. Yeah. Then you have here my, oh, that's a bit messed up. My wheelie Jeep. Then you got the Mazda RX-8, which is chrome, and you can't see. And shout out to VW, who is the person who gave me most of these cars, because I had lost them all in the previous update. Now this is my Mini. It's a UFL Mini too, so that's pretty cool. So yeah. Oh, my bad. That's not how the Peugeot, Volkswagen Scirocco, which you can't see the chrome of this one. Hyundai Veloster, which you can't see it either. Ferrari 250, is it California? Yes, it is. I think before you can see the chrome of this one, maybe you could, I don't remember exactly. This one's kind of hard to see, I don't know why. I think it's because we're in the garage, so. And you got your Hummer, my Hummer. Which, there you can see, it's chrome. My Charger chrome, which you can't see the chrome of it. I'm eventually going to turn it into a General Lee chrome with the chrome glitch that a lot of people know. Honda S2K chrome. Can't see the chrome of this one, but it is indeed chrome. Chrysler 300. This one's like a weird chrome. It's like a bright chrome. BMW. I don't know what this is. It's just a BMW. Okay, this one's UFO. So this one is my Mercedes 180 SL, I think it's called. It's triple chrome and UFO, so it's pretty nice. Z4. M3, which you can't see. The Lexus. Oh. There you go. Audi Chrome. Audi Quattro. I'm gonna go faster. Supra. Can't see the chrome of this one. This car's 1 HP. Like, literally 1 HP. It's not what I meant to do. M3 GTR. You can slightly see it. Chrome. BMW. Chrome Cadillac Escalade. Chrome Raptor. This one you can't see the chrome. Chrome BRZ or GT86. Some people call it Bells. It looks more like a BRZ to me. The Cadillac ATS-V. This BMW you can't see. This BMW M3 GTS, R34, which you can't see the chrome of, Hudson Hornet, Lancer Evo, which you can't see the chrome of. Neither can you with this Subaru. So this one's UFO. It's got a weird black vinyl on the front. This chrome is really annoying. Like, it's so bright. G-Wagon, which you can't see the chrome of. I don't know, some cars you just can't see the chrome, and it's weird. Oh, whoa, okay, it was stuck for a second. Range Rover, which you can't see there. So this one's nice, the Infinity. This one's got a vinyl. I haven't changed vinyl, nor did I make the vinyl. So, yeah, I didn't make it. Charger. Chrome. Oh! So it's got the cop lights, which means I'm probably gonna try to make a cop paint job. This Mercedes X6 X5 Camaro, which you can't see the chrome of. This one's weird. This Audi, it's like kind of messed up. But it's cool. It's actually really cool and unique. Mustang, which you can't see the chrome of either. F10, which I have as in UFO. Porsche Cayenne, Mercedes M4, AMG GT, Panamera. You can't see the chrome of some of the 458 Ferrari. M6, I mean. Can't see the chrome of that one either. Oh, this one's nice. The UFO semi-chrome thing. It's really weird. Oh, my bad. 62. There you go. This one's like one of my favorites. I didn't make the car myself, but I changed it myself with the glitch. Look at it. Panda Towing Company. I made it. Really nice car. Really nice. Doesn't look chrome from the back. It's weird. But like, it is chrome. It's just the garage makes it look weird. Then you got... Oh wait, that's not what I meant to do. Okay. Lexus LFA. UFO 2. It's not even UFO, it's just weird. Gallardo. Nice Gallardo. F90. See, this is the one that people ask me a lot for. It's chrome. Doesn't look chrome because of the garage. See, I think I'm going to change the placement of where it says not for sale, because not a lot of people have been able to see it. Challenger. I just showed you the Challenger, but whatever. Challenger, it's got a carbon fiber hood. 2, it's chrome. Carbon fiber hood. Mercedes, Benz, Huracan. This one's got a weird design on it, which I am eventually gonna change, or maybe not. Corvette. The GTR before you couldn't see, but now you can see it, which is nice. It's got the Liberty Walk kit on it. R8. F12. This one's UFO. I think the wheels are under. I don't even know, really, if I'm honest with you. And then you got Aventador, my second favorite car in this game. As a lot of people know, the Veneno is my favorite car. P1. And here it is, the Veneno. My favorite car. I wish I had this chrome cop. Bugatti. You can't see the chrome of this one. And then last but not least, the Koenigsegg. So yeah, that's my whole chrome car collection. From the smart car to the Koenigsegg. It's a complete car collection. So yeah, that's all of my chromes. So yeah, that's just basically it. It's all the chromes, all the cars in the game currently within the January 11th new update in Chrome. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe, leave a like, and if this video reaches, I don't know, maybe like 300 views, I'll do a giveaway on, not my F90, I'll do a giveaway on the Koenigsegg Chrome. Or a chrome of your choice, actually. A chrome of your choice except the F90. But yeah, just make sure to subscribe. like this video, and I'll catch you guys next time. Goodbye.